Here we have a very nice, very clean 2020 Hyundai Kona, fully equipped with LED lighting, 4-cylinder, really good on gas. Here we have 4 winter tires that are installed on the vehicle. They're studded winter tires, like new, very good condition. Also with this vehicle is the factory aluminum wheels with like new all-season tires. So you get 2 sets of tires with this Hyundai Kona. As you can see, it's in excellent condition, comes from a very good home. It's been well taken care of, no dents, stings, and scratches. 4 brand new winter tires, 4 new all-season tires. This thing is an all-wheel drive, has a backup camera. It's a hatchback, so it's really functional. You can put a lot of stuff back there. It's great for the family. Small SUV, good on fuel. Go ahead and take a peek in the back seat. Well, you can't really see it, but it's nice dark cloth interior with the match. Take a look at the inside. Beautiful seats with the plaid in the middle. Power windows, power locks, and mirrors on this guy. Here's our gas cap release. Over here in the dashboard, we have our traction control. On the steering wheel, we have audio settings. We also have cruise control settings over here. Heated seats for the front passenger and driver, USB and auxiliary ports there. This is in excellent condition, 2020 Hyundai Kona. Let's check the mileage. It has factory auto start from Hyundai on it, the factory installed one, as you can see right there. Only 53,000 kilometers on this unit. If you're looking for something that's practical, something that's good on fuel, it's not going to break the bank, all-wheel drive, come check this 2020 Hyundai Kona out. You can only get it here at Steele GMC Buick.